Everybody, welcome back to the 3Racing crawler kit build series. This is probably going to be the last video where I actually build on the kit. This is the last step. Today we're going to be working on the body post and also the bumpers. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with these rear posts. And it does ask you to trim this to 27.9 millimeters. But I'm not going to do that because I don't know if I'm going to be using the Subaru body or another body altogether. And I haven't decided yet, so I'm not going to do any trimming. I'm just going to see if I can get away with just putting this on without knowing what body I have for now. And then I'll trim the post if necessary later. So we start with putting the set screw onto the bottom of the post. Next step, the cap goes on and we're going to use this set screw to tighten it on there. Okay, now they're both ready. We're going to bring over some of the magnets. These magnets are really strong. And first thing that goes on is the magnet with a 8mm flathead screw. Okay, next we're going to put the female side of the Velcro decals, and I don't know exactly which one is the female side, but I'm going to go with the fuzzy side on the post. I don't even know if it really matters. Right, and then on the opposite side, going to put it on the iron disc. And it's going to be on the inside of the disc, like that. And it's going to come together if it doesn't rip off. All right, okay. So let's go ahead and repeat that. And all we're doing to put this onto the chassis is to twist this on. On the front is even simpler. We're just going to screw the magnet directly onto the shock mount. Then put the female Velcro, the male Velcro onto the disc, and set on top this way, but I'm going to leave it like that for now. Next, we're going to install the front bumper, and we start with putting this cross brace here and try to line up the holes as much as possible. Next, need these flathead screws, this countersunk spacer, and this plastic piece right here. We're going to put that through those two holes on the rail and also the front brace that we just put on. And I'm not going to go all the way in yet. All right, the manual has instruction for the rear bumper as well, but I'm not using the D90 body, so I don't have any way to mount it on there. So with that, that's it. We're done with the 3Racing crawler kit, and it's been a fun build. It's been very interesting. And like I said, this is going to be the last video in the building part of the series. In the next video, I'm going to be giving this a build review. After that, I'm going to mount the body, and then we're going to take it out for a test drive, and I'll give you my final review after I've driven it. So with that, thanks for watching. Drop a like. See you guys in the next one. And with the front bumper installed, that's it. We're done with the building part of this series. And in the next video, I'm going to be doing the build review, meaning I'm only going to review the design, the material quality, and what I think about the building of this kit. After that, I'm going to review the body and what I'm going to use, and we'll take it out for a test drive after that, and then I'll give my final review of this truck. So thanks for watching. Please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.